Right. Hey guys, welcome. As I said last week, I was not going to have a Zoom meeting for the day. So what I'm doing instead is have a little quick video showing you what you should be working on for the day and how to access it, okay, and where to find things. Okay. So from the home page in Canvas, just click on modules, just like we normally do in class. Okay, and from there, you want to be at week 7 because we are now in the 7th week of this quarter. And where it says week 7, day 1, dominant versus recessive traits, Wednesday/Friday is the one you want to click on. Okay, and for today, big goal is just understanding the differences between dominant and recessive traits. And there is a short warm-up that I would like you to complete. But then from there, it's going to be a self-paced, on your own Nearpod lesson that you're going to work through. Okay, so a few different ways to access it. I'll just show you, kind of what we normally do to do things. So I did create a Google slide. So depending on which period you are, period 2 or period 4, click on that link. Okay. And it's running a little slow this morning, but here we go. So start with the warm-up. It's a Google form. Once you just click on the link, you should be able to pull it up. Okay. And the question on the warm-up is, what is the difference between phenotype and genotype? There's a sentence frame in there to help you, as well as a word bank. So use those to help you answer that question, and then just hit submit. Okay. And then from there, what you're going to be doing mostly for the rest of the day is this Nearpod lesson, dominant versus recessive traits. Okay. So one way to access the Nearpod lesson, just go to Nearpod code, click on the link. Okay, and where it says to enter code, if you go back here, you can just copy and paste L278F into the code to join the session. Okay, it should take you most of the period to finish that. Once you're done, just work on anything that you are missing. So the genetics intro on Punnett squares activity, the demystifying Punnett squares activity, or the dragon meiosis activity if you never finished that. Okay. I did leave some of the slides up from last week, so if you're confused on the demystifying Punnett squares activity, look at this, and there are some directions on there for you for that one on how to do it. Okay. So that's it. That's what you should be working on for the day. And again, the Punnett square activity is self-paced. So take as much or as little time as you need on it. Okay. And mostly a lot of it's going to be answering some short answer questions and doing some Punnett squares. All right. Additionally, if you're looking for how to access the Nearpod, again, I put a link on there to put in the code. Okay. Also, if you're in modules, okay, it's in week 7 as well. Okay, where it says Nearpod lesson, dominant versus recessive trait.